Hello everyone, this is StarGamer39. Welcome back to this game. Well, welcome to this game that, a Picamo game that came out years ago. It was called Power Massacre, right? Pick the flashlight, there we go. And look at that, Jeff is unconscious. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll find help. He's dead. Alright, well, I mean, even if we were to go get help, I doubt Jeff would be conscious by then. Let's run. Powder Massacre. Oh my gosh. This is nerve-wracking. I never gone to this point. Alright. This is it, guys. Oh boy. I can't imagine how this is gonna go. Oh no! No, no, no! Footsteps! Woo! No way! You ain't coming to at me! Shoot! Where am I going? Oh gosh! There you are! I'm stuck, guys. Look at that. Yeah, we're stuck. Well, that was pretty anticlimactic. We didn't die, but yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! He spawned right away. The little Mitch. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. He's okay. That was random, man. I wonder if look. I'm not gonna run. Going up again. God. Oh gosh! Oh god! I can't. Gosh! He got us again. Oh my gosh! I need to get used to these controls if I wanna get anywhere around here. Back to the sugar tunnel. Back to the sugar tunnel. The sugar tunnel we go. Da, da, da. To get some sugar and then die. Da, da, da. Oh, the killer wants to give us some sugar. Da, da, da. This sounds pretty terrible, but I'll keep going. Da, da, da. I don't know where to go. He hasn't spawned yet. Which is crazy. That was not him. That was totally not him. What is that? Who is that? Oh gosh. Okay. Fudge! Cakes. Darn it. I thought we were getting somewhere, but we didn't. Oh my gosh. He's still going. The infinite chase, guys. I'm done. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm done.